Hello friends, once again it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. I have a very brief video here today. Yesterday I took a junk tire and rim I had hanging around and I used it to demonstrate how to seal a leaking bead. So today I dismounted that tire and I wanted to show you how to remove the bead sealer. If you're ever working on a tire that's had bead sealer in use, it's very simple to remove this stuff, and I want to show it to you now. All you need is a dry cloth. You just take the dry cloth and just rub it, and you can see the stuff rolls right off. Comes off very easy. It's made to come off easily. That's the beauty of this stuff. You see it's coming right off. I don't want to block your view. I'll go on the other side. But you can see how quickly and easily this stuff comes off just using a dry cloth. And you can do the same thing on the tire. Just take a dry cloth and just wipe the bead and it'll come right off very quickly and easily. So I just wanted to show you that on this brief video. So if you are working on a tire that has had bead sealer previously used, don't fret over it. It comes off very easily. So I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I'm going to post two videos to your left. One will be the video I posted yesterday about how to use bead sealer. And the other one will be one I hope you find of interest. Feel free to click on one or the other or both. And to your right will be my avatar in the form of my trusty German Shepherd. Feel free to click on that if you wish to subscribe. So thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you all again very soon.